Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to make a honey cornbread from Krusteaz or Krusteaz, I think. That's how they pronounce it. I'm not sure how they actually pronounce it. I think it's Krusteaz, okay? It's fairly easy to make. All you have to do is just follow the instructions. The instructions here are very clear. You can see here, you need 2/3 cup of milk, 1/3 cup of vegetable oil, and 1 egg. And all you do is dump it in together and stir it and mix it up. So let's do that now, okay? Let's take that out. Okay, alright. Let's cut this baby up. One key thing that you don't want to do on this one is you don't want to use an egg beater, like electronic egg beater. All you have to do is just stir with a spoon. So this is cornbread. It's not really regular muffin. So that's what you got to do. You got to be careful with that, okay? And here's 1 egg. See, my egg looks kind of greenish color. No, we didn't color that. It's actually my chicken laid kind of green egg. So.
Daddy, can I crack it?
No, let me. Got my daughter here helping me out, but I'm going to do this one for her first. I'm going to ask her to get me a spoon in a little bit. Okay, let's get 2/3 cup of milk. Alright, see, I have a measuring cup. See, let's do 2/3 cup of milk. Yeah, with bacon, you got to make sure that you do it, as recommended, or else it doesn't come out as, it's supposed to be. And you need 1/3 cup of vegetable oil.
It looks different in there, Daddy.
Yeah, you got 1/3 cup of vegetable oil. And now we're going to mix it all together.
It looks like egg.
Yeah, I know. Isn't that cool?
Uh-huh.
Yes. Okay, we'll use a spoon to mix it together. I got a little wooden spoon here. What you do is mix very thoroughly. It'll smell like cornbread already. It's gonna smell really, really good after you. See, you don't need an egg beater or anything. Just make sure that you stir it completely. You want to stir it for me?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, go for it. Go for it. See, I gotta help her out. She's helping me out. Woo! All right. Okay. And after you mix it all completely through.
Slime.
I know, not cool, but it's not really slime. It's really good. After we bake it, it's gonna smell really good. We'll use a spoon to put them in the muffin pans because I love cornbread.
It smells like egg.
Yeah, it smells like cornbread, like the restaurant cornbread. And, see, I'm gonna put it in this muffin pans, and I lay with some oil on there and spray some oil on it, non-stick. Even though it's non-stick, but I know it's going to stick anyway, but so I spray some oil on there. So that's pretty much done, and you scoop it and you put them in there. Okay, here, stir a little bit for me. Stir some more. I'm going to get a spoon. I'm in a big scoop. And then we're going to scoop it in here. Did you tell
me to get it, Daddy?
What's up, honey?
Did you tell me to get it?
Yeah, we got it right here. See, I'm going to put this in there. No, leave it in there, so that way we can...
And I got my dough.
Yeah. Okay, we're going to see. See, now what we have to do is just put it in about 2/3. Okay? Woo.
Can I try?
Yeah, here, hold my hand. Hold my hand. We put them in there, okay?
Ooh.
Just put it like so. And you fill them all up, and you put them in the oven for 375 degrees. And if you do a muffin, it'll take about 10 to 15 minutes.
Can you do
And
straight?
if you do a pan, it'll last a little longer, about 18 minutes, okay? So after that, I'm going to show you the result afterward, okay? See you back in a bit. I got the oven preset heating up for, or it's been heated for 375 degrees, about 13 minutes. So here, if you look at this, this is what I put them on, the baking pans. Okay, having muffin pans, and I'm gonna put it in there. I'm gonna do that for about 13 minutes, and I'm gonna be right back and show it to you. Okay. So after about 15 minutes in the oven at 375 degrees, as you can see here, it's very golden, looks very nice and golden brown now. So I'm going to take it out and try it. Okay, so let me know what you guys think and see how easy it is to make. So, you know, don't be scared, just go and read the instruction on the box and just do it, okay? So, thanks so much for watching, guys, and I hope you liked the video, and please don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more video. Thank you. Bye-bye now.